Hi and welcome. This is again the Rolux X series mower. We're just going to do a quick video to show you how to replace the chain tensioner. That's this nylon piece over here, and after a good while of service you may find that you need to replace this. Thankfully it's a very simple process. For the purpose of this video, we've gone ahead and removed the chain cover. If you're unsure of how to do that, please just follow the video below for the instructions on how to get that done. The tools that we're going to be using for this video is a 13 or half-inch wrench and or spanner. Thankfully, the process of removing the chain tensioner is a very simple one, but you will need to remove the whole bracket in order to access the nut behind. In order to do that, we're going to use our 13 ratchet and spanner to remove these two nuts. So the first thing we want to do is just secure the nut at the back here using our 13 or half-inch spanner, and using the ratchet on the other side, we'll loosen this nut here. We are now going to be putting the chain tensioner back together, that you've got the new piece here. First thing you want to do is obviously put the spring back in. Fits in pretty easy. Then taking our chain tensioner bracket, take note that the bush comes from the outside in. Okay, it all just slots together like that, and then we can fasten that. Now again, what we'll need to do is just secure the nut using the ratchet and tighten using the screwdriver. Now that we've got our chain tensioner attached to the bracket, we're going to attach the bracket back to the chassis. First thing you want to do is take your bolt, and from the back end and the top hole, you line those up, and again just loosely fasten that. Okay. Again, we'll take the second nut bolt, put it through there. It's important now that the washer fits over here, and we'll loosely attach that. Once we have the bracket fitted back to the chassis, it's time for us to set the tension on the chain. Ideally you want to have about 5 to 8 mils of play. So with this both loose, you can just push down gently with your thumb until you've got the correct tension. There, it's a bit tight. That's ideal, and we'll now fasten it into that position. When we go to fasten the chain tensioner bracket in place, we're going to take our 13 or half-inch spanner, and using the grass box attachment point, we'll just lock that nut in there with a bolt, and again just come to our ratchet, push it back to where we're happy with the tension, and fasten. Once we have everything tightly fastened into position, we just want to do a final check on the tension of the chain. Again, here we're looking for about 5 to 8 mils of play, so that's pretty perfect for us.